Magandang mga po, muli sa inyong lahat. Ibinibigay ko po sa inyo ang ama ng lungsod ng Maynila, Yole Isko Moreno.
Thank you, Director Jay. I love you. Baka may asin mo yun. Sa ating mga kasamahan sa MSW, ating mga staff, at of course, ang ating mga partners na tumutulong sa lungsod ng Maynila, at sa ating nagagambala sa mga estudyante na UDM. Good morning sa inyong lahat. No? Sa UDM, most likely may magandang balita na dyan in the coming days. May awa ang Diyos. Sa ating mga graduates, instructors, good morning!
Good morning!
Sabi nga ako may pinupuntahan ako ng bata ko. Mga 6:30, 7 ng gabi. Sa mga bahay-bahay, usually ginagawa yun. Dahil may libreng chicha. Pagtapos ng kantahan, may kainan na. Siyempre, pag atabs ka, dumidelay siya ka lang ng konti. Kunwari nanonood ka doon. Tapos, ang hindi ko lagi makakalimutan doon at bagay na bagay para sa inyo. Meron doon portion ng kantang, "This is the day that the Lord has made." Yan ang "This is the day, this is the day that the Lord has made, that the Lord has made." I always remember that song of all the charismatic songs na ginagawa. Because nung natututo na akong konti-konti ng English, naintindihan ko na yung ibig sabihin. Na wherein that every day, katulad ng mga post ninyo sa Facebook, every gising is a blessing. And today, we just received the blessings from the Lord. Salamat sa Diyos. Anuman ang hirap na ating pinagdadaanan, patuloy tayong nakatatanggap ng mga biyaya. Katulad ngayon, you are now ready to be deployed to your respective skill training na natanggap ninyo sa inyong pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila at sa ating mga partners. And this is in line with our goal for the city of Manila with little resources, sa maliit na kakayanan ng ating lungsod at hirap na hirap tayo sa ating cash position. But we will continue efficiently, utilize efficiently whatever resources remaining in our city coffers to invest to MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Job creation. And with the new policy ng inyong syudad, bagong pulisiya, mas magaan, mas madali na magtayo ng negosyo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Ito naman ay kaalinsabay na maraming mga ngailangan na trabaho at magiging available para sa mga batang Maynila. Magaang na pulisiya sa paghahanap buhay, or what you call ease of doing business in the city government. At the same time, providing skills to our people so that they will fit, or if opportunity will be made available, may mahahanap na trabahante na tagalungsod ng Maynila. And that's who you are right now. You are certified skilled workers of the city government. So that's why, umanatag kayo, ikalawa na natin ito, Jay, no? Marami pa itong 2, 3, o 4. Dahil hindi tayo titigil na yung mga napagkaitan ng kaalaman upang maitaguyod ang kanilang sarili. Your city government, in its own little way, will continue to provide and invest in this type of activities and programs for our people. Sa mga nanay at tatay ko na may asin pa na nandito, I'm happy that despite of your age, hindi nyo pinagkaitan ng karagdagang kaalaman at kakayanang maitaguyod ang inyong mga sarili. Sa mga kabataan naman, galingan ninyo, ha? Pagka kayo'y nagkatrabaho na, huwag niyong ipapahiya ang inyong pamalang lungsod ng Maynila. You have to be good. You have to excel in your field of undertaking. And that's very important. Give pride to yourself. Magaling ako. Yan sabihin nyo nga. Magaling ako. Parang hindi kayo believe sa sarili nyo. O, sabay-sabay. Magaling ako.
Magaling ako.
Hindi naman ibig sabihin, pag sinabi mong magaling ako o magaling ikaw, ay kay BBS na. Sa Facebook lang yun. Alam niyo yung BBS? Believe na believe sa sarili. Oh, sa Facebook marami nun. But, mind you, wish ko, ang wish ko sa inyo ay sana talaga magtagumpay kayo sa susunod na daan na inyong lalandasin, na inyong tatahapin. But then again, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, your city government will continue this program and your city government will not stop to continue this program. And through our private partners, national agencies partners, everyone, sisinupin natin yung mga available resources at outside sources that we can utilize in favor of the people of Manila. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I am proud of you. Kaya huwag kayong matataranta sa buhay at huwag matakot madapa. Huwag niyong bibilangin yung dami ng inyong pagkakadapa sa buhay. Ang mahalaga, yung pagbangon. And always way forward. Always. Always. Yes, sometimes it is hurtful what happened in the past. But you cannot bring back time. And the best thing that you can do is to learn lesson from those experience and some relationship. Nahiwalay na ba kayo?
Yes.
Ng jowa?
Yes.
Simple lang ang itanong mo sa sarili mo, sino kayang hindi? So, you are normal. It's normal. But what matters most in life, whether you fail on something, whether with regard to economic, personal, or emotional, what matters most is always way forward. Nakatuon ka sa horizon. Don't be disturbed by naysayers. Don't be disturbed by noise. Masyadong maingay. Focus ka lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang. May awa ang Diyos. Makakaraos din tayo. Makakamit din natin yung ating mga pangarap sa buhay. Tama ba?
Tama.
Kaya sa inyo, congratulations. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Relax lang, ha? Chill-chill lang. Good guys. Steady lang tayo. Steady lang. Staying the course. So muli, congratulations sa inyong lahat. To our NDSW family, to our partners in the national government and private sectors. Thank you for helping the city government of Manila and especially the people of Manila. Mag-iingat kayo. And I will pray at wish ko, total birthday ko naman. Pwede akong mag-wish. Kasi, pag may birthday, di ba, may wish. Sige, mag-wish na lang ako. I hope Jesus will grant my wish. Ang wish ko, to be honest, before I wish for you, ang personal wish ko talaga is peace on earth. What's happening in the world and what's happening among each other, too much hatred and chaos from one person to another, and most of it politically. I hope magkaroon na ng kapanatagan ang ating bansa, ang ating buwan. Actually, yun ang wish ko talaga. Pero magdadagdag lang ako ngayon. Total, wala namang gas. Laway lang naman yung wish, di ba? Ang wish ko, sana bigyan kayo ng second wind. Sana magtagumpay kayo sa susunod ng lahat. Mag-ingat kayo. I love you. Maraming salamat. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! At first, thank you.
Happy birthday.
may bigote ah. Thank you,
Thank you po. Okay. And now, we're going to start to pay the recognition to ones who have done very well and have been perseverant in their training. May we request our honored guests for the awarding of medals and certificates to the outstanding trainees. Honorable Mayor Francisco Escomoreno de Mogoso, our Manila Department Social Welfare Director J. De La Fuente, and our Officer in Charge, Manila Manpower Development Center, and Miss Army of St. Timothy. To be start, Barista Vinciano T. Azario, August, AM Chef Awardee. Jalen R. De La Cruz, September PM Chef Awardee. For the beauty care, nail care, Gloria Santos, August Awardee. September Awardee. Maricel P. Henorga, Kayuman, September Awardee. For the cookery, Mike Adrian T. Bautista, Kayuman, August Awardee. Maribel S. Santos, Aracera, September Awardee. Ronnie E. Avenoha, Tayuman, September Awardee. Food and Beverages, Edseline Hazel O. Lucas, August Awardee. Rodriguez.